In this video, I want to talk about how you can get YouTube TV on your own TV. Now, there are 4 easy ways that you can do this, and let me quickly walk you through them. So the first one is to use the smart TV if you have one. So on most TVs these days, if it's a newer one and it's not too old, there will be some sort of app store on the TV where you can download apps. So look for that and check if there's anywhere that you can download YouTube TV. Now, another thing is you can use a streaming device such as any of these right here, and those are able to stream the YouTube TV. Now, if you want, you can also use a gaming console like your Xbox, your PlayStation, and connect them to your TV and just play YouTube TV through them. Now, the last option is you can AirPlay or use Cast from your mobile device. So if you launch YouTube TV on your mobile and you connect it with your TV using AirPlay, it will also play on the TV. Now, those are the 4 easiest ways that you can do this. If you want, you can just go in more depth about one of these. So let's say you want to use a streaming device and you want to know for Roku. What you can do is just quickly Google the Roku for your TV and it will show you how you can set it up. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.